It was a bright Sunday morning. The warm sunlight came through the kitchen window, and birds were singing outside. 10-year-old Ahmed woke up early because he wanted to surprise his mother. Usually, his mother prepared breakfast alone while everyone else slept. She cooked, washed vegetables, made tea, and packed lunch for later. Ahmed had often watched her working hard without taking a break. That morning, he walked into the kitchen with a big smile. "Good morning, Mom," he said. His mother smiled warmly. "Good morning, Ahmed. You're awake early. Today, I want to help you in the kitchen," Ahmed said proudly. His mother looked surprised but happy. "Are you sure? Kitchen work takes patience," Ahmed nodded. Confidently, "I'm ready to learn." His mother gave him a clean apron and showed him how to wash his hands properly before touching any food. "The first rule in the kitchen is cleanliness," she explained. Ahmed carefully washed his hands with soap and water. His first job was to wash fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, and coriander for the salad. He gently rinsed each vegetable under running water. His mother checked them and smiled. "Excellent. You did it." Carefully, Ahmed felt proud. Next, his mother asked him to peel a few potatoes. At first, he peeled them too deeply, wasting some of the potato. His mother laughed kindly. "Don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes when learning." She showed him how to hold the peeler safely. Ahmed tried again, and this time he peeled them much better. After that, he helped arrange bread, butter, and jam on the dining table. He carefully placed plates, spoons, and glasses. His younger sister Sarah walked into the kitchen. "Wow, Ahmed is helping today," she said. Ahmed smiled. "Yes, and it feels great." Soon, breakfast was ready. The whole family sat together and enjoyed delicious food. Ahmed's father noticed the neatly arranged table. "This looks wonderful," he said. Mother smiled. "Ahmed helped me with almost everything." His father proudly said, "Well done, my son." Helping at home shows responsibility. After breakfast, Ahmed thought his work was finished. But then he saw his mother collecting dirty dishes without being asked. He stood up. "I'll help wash the dishes too." His mother nodded happily. She taught him how to rinse the plates, use dish soap, and wash glasses carefully. Ahmed worked slowly because he didn't want to break anything. When all the dishes were clean, he wiped them dry with a clean towel. The kitchen looked neat again. Later that morning, Mother decided to bake a simple cake. Would you like to help me? She asked Ahmed's eyes sparkled with excitement. Of course. She placed flour, sugar, eggs, milk, and butter on the kitchen counter. Ahmed carefully measured the flour into a bowl. His mother explained why measuring ingredients correctly was important. Then Ahmed cracked the eggs. The first egg went in perfectly. The second egg accidentally dropped a tiny piece of shell into the bowl. Oh no, Ahmed said. His mother gently removed the shell. It's okay. Small mistakes happen. They mixed everything together until the batter became smooth. Ahmed stirred carefully while his mother prepared the baking pan. When the cake went into the oven, they cleaned the kitchen together. His mother explained that good cooks always clean while they work. After some time, a sweet smell filled the whole house. Sarah ran into the kitchen. The cake smells amazing. Everyone waited patiently until it was ready. When the cake cooled, Mother let Ahmed decorate it with fresh strawberries. Although the decoration wasn't perfect, it looked colorful and beautiful. The family enjoyed the homemade cake with hot tea. Everyone praised Ahmed's hard work. In the afternoon, Ahmed's grandmother came to visit. She noticed how clean the kitchen looked. Mother proudly told her, Ahmed helped me all morning. Grandmother smiled with happiness. When children help their parents, they learn valuable life skills. Ahmed felt proud but also humble. I learned that cooking is not easy. He admitted it takes patience, care, and practice. His mother gently placed her hand on his shoulder. The best helper is someone who works with love. That evening, Ahmed wrote in his diary, Today I learned how much work my mother does every day. From now on, I will help her whenever I can. Even small tasks can make a big difference.